Good afternoon. I am Janjan T. Villalona. This is 2A and this is our business rules. So we decided to create a database for Brewline Cafe to centralize all transactions, inventory, and order data for the whole operation of the coffee shop. To do this, we include the following entities. Number one, menu. This will store all the items available in the menu along with its price descriptions and its category. Next is orders. This table handles all the ordered items. For every customers, each order is defined by an order entry. The items that is ordered by the customers, its quantity and total amount for the specific order. Then number three, customer. Customer. This entity holds all the details for each customer. The next is crew. This will captivate all the informations of hired crew of the cafe. The number five, inventory. All the items required for making an order or transaction is stored in this table along with all necessary things associated with the item. Next is supplier. Supplier, this is all about the information of the one whom the company receives to needed items to run the store. Then lastly is the transaction. So transaction, this table summarizes all the transactions made by a customer and it entails the order items, it's pricing the total amount of all orders of a specific customer, the amount paid and the total change amount derived from the total amount given by a customer, less the overall total amount of a customer's transactions. So that's all. Thank you.